Hi, my name is Ali and I am an artist, a makeup artist also. And if you are here watching my video, first of all, thank you so much. Second of all, I'm really awkward. Third of all, I fangirl a lot. Fourth of all, please remember to be kind and also to love yourself. And if I have made you smile at all at any point in this video, then my job here is done. Have a fantastic day. Did I say that weird? Yeah, probably. And please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, and you can follow me and all my other fancy stuff. Okay, I'm done. Okay, that's awkward enough. Hi guys. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing makeup face paint original kind of thing. So it's not really a character or anything in particular, it's just an idea I've had in my head for a little while. Basically on my Instagram, go follow, I asked my followers if they would like to see either dark phoenix or an original face paint makeup look, and majority of it went to the original face paint look. I'm just gonna apply very generously the shade, hold on, bam. Oh shit, I just nearly dropped the entire thing and my life flashed before my eyes. The drama. Okay, this shade over here. A nice and big fluffy brush, the M573. All of a sudden I'm very excited about life. I don't know why. You see, this is what happens when I'm tired. Talking about 1,000 miles per minute. Second, I don't know what that was. And yeah, it's kind of like when I'm drunk too. So yes, very generously warm things up a little bit, even for the cool one. This is the cool eye, this is the warm eye. So I'm going to apply the nice metallic, like icy cool shade called Taylor, which is this one. So it's a nice shadow packing brush. It looks like this. It's, yeah, that's it. Third blending brush, the M506. I'm gonna grab Image, very little bit of Image. It's the shade above what I just used. This. Oh, Ross is doing Rachel's makeup. Glorious moment on TV. Okay, I am petrified of liquid liner. Yes, I am the makeup artist. I am petrified of liquid liner. This is the NYX Studio liquid liner in extreme blue. I don't even carry these in my kit. I refuse it. Like, I'm not gonna do this on a client because I'm just hyperventilate and it's just very stressful and the whole world is gonna end, and I just, yeah, no. So, but today's luck, I'm going to attempt this craziness. See, that's the thing, you just have to go for it. Like, just do it. Like, don't second guess it. Don't, you know. Whew. Okay. Come closer. The other eye, the base, the shimmery base, is going to be from the Juvia's Palace Mini Masquerade palette, and the color Dahlia, I don't know what it's called, but it's this one over here. Same thing, packing brush. This time it's gonna be from the Dare to Create palette, and it's this red. Honestly, I use this so much in my carnival clients this year. It's not even funny. It's called Snatched, and it looks like that. So again, outer corner of the eye and like above the crease. Properly. See? So that's literally snatched with some Duraline, just so I could make something that will dry very quickly on my eye. I don't want that to take forever. Lord Jesus, have mercy. Oh. Too much on your brush. When you're doing this, it's best to go little bit by little bit. It's gonna stop. It's fine. Let me do the wing. I'm working on letting it go, guys. Letting it go. I am posting this no matter what. It's gonna be okay. It's not the end of the world. Okay, what? I'm gonna do my lashes and the base of my face, which you can look at other videos and you will see the same routine pretty much. So I'll come back soon. Bye. The foundation is done, base is done. I am going to start with the moon. Been feeling the moon a lot more than the sun because, as you can tell, that liner is shit. But that's okay. That's okay. We are not perfect, right? Work with the Makeup Forever Flash palette, my baby. Let me start with the base of this. This is what happens when you haven't planned the look and you're just like staring at yourself for like a good 10 minutes trying to figure out what you're gonna do. I didn't heavily contour because I think I'm gonna contour with color. So light blue base. So now I'm gonna go in with the dark blue and draw the moon. Mike, Bungie. Maybe it'll just be like the trace of a moon. Sorry. Should not be listening to this song while trying to do this. Do I want it more or facing down? I don't know. His hair. I can do this. I can do this. Oh, man. Just so the same white from the Flash palette. Don't mix it with your glueless. What is that glue? Primer. No, it's primer. So the base for hair, it's gonna be right here. So the base for hair is gonna be yellow. O-Y-O-U-L-O-V-E-N-E-T-O-Y-O-U. Do you love me? Santa María, Madre de Dios, ruego por nosotros los pecadores, ahora en la hora de nuestra muerte. Amén. What is that? What is that? What is that? Chi. Color Chi. I'm just gonna start setting this cream and shading it. Then I'm gonna grab Sola. The background. It's not, I promise. Ah! Too dark. Ah! 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 No. I have an Inglet pigment, pure pigment eyeshadow in 121. It's about to get lit, I think. Yes! That is what I was looking for. Thank you. Okay, okay, okay. Dale, mami. It's up. I don't like harsh lines, guys. I like to blend. That's why I'm not about that cut crease life whatsoever. Oh yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Sorry for that. Glitter. So these were my go-to for carnival this year, and I saw a lot of people on the road with it, but it's the Ambrosia Cosmetics Chunky Glitter that look like this. Life. Okay, got it? Okay, so this duo comes perfect for today's face paint because I'll use the silver on the moon and the gold on the sun. Duh. Okay. Okay, so now that we're back from my camera having to charge for a little bit, all I did while the camera was charging was I just added the glitters, the gold and the silver respectively to the sun and the moon in the inner corner of my eyes, and I also added these lines underneath as well. Look at my hand. Oh my watch, shit. Lips, I'm just going to match to my skin tone, which is basically I'm just going to put on some foundation, and then I'm going to put some of these again with the Ambrosia. They have these diamond dust glitters. Oh, so I'm just gonna combine them both onto my lips. Clean your fucking hand, Elizabeth. Ta-da! So other than my hair being a complete mess, this is it. Sun vibes. My hair annoying me. Moon vibes. Ain't awkward, how's that? Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, if I made you smile at any point in this video, please like and subscribe. Okay? Okay. And please comment below and let me know if there's anything you'd like me to try. I can't really promise that I will try, but you know, if it's a good idea, you will be credited for sure. Thank you. Bye.